Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking shows. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas, guys. Anyway, very simple recipe I'm going to make today again. This one going to be a perfect smoothie, guys. We got some strawberry, we got blueberry, and also we got some blackberry. Alright, simple. Get some ice, put into a glass, just like that. I'm gonna put some ripe banana inside of it because the ripe banana definitely going to bring in a lovely smoothie towards it, guys, honestly. So it's gonna be amazing. Then we're gonna get those blueberry and blackberry, all kind of fruits right here. We're gonna pop them straight inside of it. Got some strawberry also we're gonna use inside of it, so which is gonna bring in a lovely flavor also. So this is how it's going to go. Blueberry, blackberry, any kind of blue berry you have at home, just use it, guys. It's fine. Little bit of water, not too much. And I don't know. Yeah, nice one. It's fine. So what I'm gonna do, I know it's a little bit too much in it, but I know by the time it blend, it will just shrink. Look at this. By the time it blend, it will shrink. So perfectly. Hopefully it'll be alright. Then we're going to put roughly about a tablespoon of honey. That honey is finished. So I know you guys definitely going to gonna love this one. I'm gonna be blending this about 3 to 4 minutes. Lovely, very easy and simple recipe, guys. Let's see how this look. Oh yeah, see, perfect and nice. So what we're going to do now is, because it's supposed to be a little bit runny, but it's fine. It's a smoothie, so this is perfect, and that's the way how you want to get it. All right. Nice and lovely. Finish with this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Very easy and simple, guys, and it's an amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. This is a Juice Bar channel, and this is how we do it. Perfect smoothie for the summer. All right, guys, stay tuned, and I will see you.